The other thing you want to do, and this goes for all of you guys listening, no matter what grass type you have, is as you come into a transitional period, this is also when disease can be a challenge. Up north, we'll go back up to you guys, and I want to talk to Kentucky bluegrass. As you're coming now into this rainy season that we're in here in the late spring, it's going to get warm and it's going to dry off and you're going to get humidity. That's all through Illinois, Chicago, all of that. And as the rain comes down and the heat and humidity come up, that is dollar spot territory right there. So if you have had problems with dollar spot in your Kentucky bluegrass, or definitely it can get into turf type tall fescue and definitely can get into rye. If you've had problems with dollar spot, you want to think about coming up now very soon here in May to get your preventative treatment down as a preventative fungicide down. Use azoxystrobin. You can get that. It comes Scott's Disease X right from any store in your neighborhood. It is the same as the professional product that you'll hear about called Heritage. They are exactly the same. It's just a lot easier to get the Disease X at Home Depot, and I think it's cheaper by the pound as well, but I'm pretty sure it's even the same app rates. This also comes for those of you with turf type tall fescue all the way down through the transition zone. You're going to start being concerned about brown patch, for sure brown patch. And so I want you to start thinking about your preventative fungicides. Down here in Florida, same thing. We're going to get some Rhizoctonia brown patch challenges that can start coming in Zoysia and also in St. Augustine grass as we are coming into the rainy season. So what we're coming out of is a dry season, and it's not as humid, into super humidity and that hard rain in the afternoon. And then all night, what can happen is the grass sits wet with humidity, and that can cause Rhizoctonia to rise. So we want to be in a transitional concern down here in the south as well. So